around adoption, you know what I mean? My little sister, she called me up about 15 minutes ago, said, baby, I need you to jump on that So Gone channel. I said, well, fuck it, sis. I'm gonna take out, you know what I mean? You don't gotta ask me twice and shit, you know what I mean? And then she said, did that shit. She said, going on them niggas, man, they don't even play, man, you know what I mean? There you go. I'm fresh up off my rack, like a new Coogee fit. Got a 45 with me, with 2 extended clips. Cooler than the breeze, at the port of Miami. My plug touchdown the same night we had the Grammys. The Lord have mercy for a nigga that hustle. I pray every night for a nigga that struggle. The money on my mind, like a price on my head. Some picture me rolling, haters picture me dead. Send a threat to my enemies and tell them I ain't running. Having homicidal business, got me wanting to murder something. Blessings after blessings, I'm rhyme with perfection. I'm a brick mention, nigga, so I'm rhyme with a weapon. I'm a son of a king, a mother born the queen. 2 men and a half, what a nigga gotta be. 20 stacks on me, you can say 20 G's, so you might as well say I'm walking around with a key. Full clip total, and living mercenary, and my whole clique ride till the bitch get buried. The niggas out there turning rats like Jerry. I'ma die brave hard, cause I never been scared. The rule number 1, turn your house into a trap. When you make enough money, buy the one right next to that. And don't blow the money when the work is running to you, cause soon as you show, boy, you got it coming to you. It ain't no second guessing when you looking in this mirror. Boys tattooed tears, then a whole nother picture. I'ma try this game again, I gotta get it richer. Man, I'm higher than a bitch, instead of frying up swishers. My old hoe praying for me, but I don't really need it. She a rotten tangerine, so I never would eat it. Guard my life cause I'm G. Got a son named Sugar and I love him like Effie. You think a nigga playing? Punk bitch didn't text me. And how the cops come back and rearrest me. And niggas talking big when nigga got a weapon. To catch a nigga slipping, he be the same nigga scratching. And dear God, I ain't looking for no blessing. Hood nigga, I'm just looking for confessions. I run around with triggers, that's hairpin. I got niggas in the pen I never see again. So don't cross me, I'm so gone. Okay.